If you want apple from the tree, water the root, not the fruit. If you take care of your employees, they will take care of your customers and the clients, and your business will take care of itself. In this video, we are going to see about employee satisfaction. Employee satisfaction refers to the extent which an individual is happy with their job and the role it plays in their life. We can ensure employee satisfaction in 6 ways. They are employee engagement, respect, praise and recognition, fair compensation, motivation, and life satisfaction. Let us know about these ways. The first essential for employee satisfaction is employee engagement. Employee engagement refers to the heartly connection of the employee with the job they do. When an employee gets connected mentally and heartfully to the job, they will work better. It shows us the extent to which the employee is passionate over their work, how much discretionary effort they put for their work, and their commitment to it. Lan Hutchison said, employee engagement is an investment we make for the privilege of staying in business. Business needs employees, but successful business needs satisfied employees. We can increase employees' engagement through involving them in planning, which will give us more innovative ideas, creating knowledge sharing system between superior and subordinate, which will help the superiors to know the capacity and the caliber of their employees, providing basic amenities in the company for employees is so that they will not feel the company as a strange and pressured workplace, and creating work friendly and positive environment which will maintain the enthusiasm of employees. Do you know the Google LLC ensures their employee engagement in various ways, and one among them is investing in their health. Employees of Google LLC will have free dental and health checkup, chef prepared organic food, gym and swimming pool in the workplace, on-site physicians, free haircuts by professional hairstylists, death benefits to deceased employees' families, and many more. This is one among the reasons for Google LLC's success. The second important way for employee satisfaction is giving respect. Respect is the key for good working environment and good communicational system. Respect is usually given with regard to the position and power of a person in some places, but it is also needed to be given for the lowest level of subordinate by the member of the management, regardless of power, position, qualification, and personal feelings. Disrespectful attitudes and words shown or spoke by the superiors to the subordinates shall be reflected towards their customers and clients by the employees. But if you create a respectful environment where every individual respect each other, the communicational system gets stronger and thereby leads to good teamwork. Respect can be given to your employee through your words and actions. Speak politely and kindly to your employees. Give them respect and use dignified words while you speak to them. Encourage employees. Never insult them through your words and actions. Don't criticize them publicly for their mistakes. Instead, teach them what is correct in a kind way. Don't show off your bossy attitude. Respect is not only in expressing, but it is also in listening. Listen to your employees' ideas and suggestions without any hurry-burry. It makes them feel respected when their boss or superior listen to them politely. The third way to increase employee satisfaction is praise and recognition. A person who feels appreciated and praised will always do more than what is expected. Employee praising and recognizing is a different term from salary. Praising starts with simple gesture to say thank you and well done. You can write thank you note to employee who have done a great job. You can praise an employee through a shout out at all hands meeting. Encourage peer to peer recognition. You can recognize an employee with simple ways which means to them a huge recognition given for them, such as lunch with the boss, dinner outs with the team, thank you meeting, handwritten appreciation notes, family invites, special projects, and extra payments for deserving employees. The fourth way to increase the employee satisfaction is fair compensation. Giving employees an appropriate amount according to their performance, experience, and job requirements is known as fair compensation. Providing the money they deserve for their job will keep them motivated in their work because money is a basic need. Paying fair compensation will inspire employees to give their best. If an employee is not given enough money for their work, they will demotivate it and will easily get distracted from that work. So provide fair and enough compensation to your employees. Why I add the word enough here? Because your payment to your employee should cover all their living expenses so that they will not suffer financially. The fifth way is employee motivation. It refers to the cheer that an employee gets from the management for doing the work. Motivated employees handle uncertainty more easily and they are better problem solvers. They will insert innovation and creativity in the job they do. Motivated employee will concentrate more on client and customer satisfaction. This customer centricity will give more profit to the company. Motivation creates higher level of employee satisfaction and those satisfied employees will focus on higher level of customer satisfaction. You can motivate your employees through placing trust on them and showing your belief on them, giving them chance to lead, supporting their ideas, cheering them with good words, decorating walls with motivational words and pictures, appreciating their efforts and individualness, and often telling them about their importance to the company they work for. The sixth and important way of employee satisfaction is ensuring life satisfaction because personally affected employee will lack professional progress in some situation. They will feel pressured with some works. The company should ensure about the good work-life balance conditions of its employees so that they will feel satisfied personally and professionally. Do you know Ratan Tata uses to visit his sick employees and he personally cared their families' wellness. Once, Ratan Tata had visited the families of 80 employees who were affected by a terror attack. He also agreed to fully sponsor for the education of the employees' children and also medical and counseling expenses for all the family members of that 80 employees. He also cleared the loans of those families. What a level of employee caring! Ratan Tata stands as a great example for employee life satisfaction. And finally, let us tell you some simple employee satisfaction survey questions which will be useful for you. The first ever question we suggest is, do you find your work meaningful? The second question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate your work life balance? The third question is, are you inspired by your work, the purpose of your work, and the mission of the company? The fourth question is, do you like our company culture? The fifth question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend our company a good place to work and develop? The sixth question is, hypothetically, if you are about to leave this job tomorrow, what would be your reason? The seventh question is, do you feel valued? And the eighth question is, do your team or superior inspire you to do the work at your best? These are all some recommended employee satisfaction survey questions from us. This will help you to identify your employee, to find production issues in your company, to increase employee retention rate, to increase profitability of the company, to get happy, loyal, and dedicated employees, and to develop the company. Please encourage employees to give their honest feedback and don't be rude for any frank or negative feedback from them. In fact, you should encourage them for their feedbacks. This is how you can know about your management system and employee satisfaction with that system. Satisfied employees are the ones who will stay loyal towards the company and will put their full efforts in the works. If an employee feels satisfied with their job in all aspects, he or she will not have any reason to leave the company, thereby, the employee retention rate of the company will increase. Satisfied employee will work good in worst circumstances and handle it with ease, whereas frustrated employee will not. Giving satisfaction to the employee in their job will make them to work with dedication. If a company have dedicated employees, it will definitely crush all the barriers and will get success. Invest in your employee. This is our first ever video on business related topic. Like, share, comment and importantly subscribe to our channel for more videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon for our updates and video notifications. We have added the link for our video on goal setting strategies in the description. Check out through that to know on how to set goals. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Learn with Mighty Max.